What's up? Another video. Here is my brother, Aiden. He's such a silly guy.
And not silly.
Aiden, would you sit on the bed, please? So, I've included Aiden in this video. Well, it's only been 30 seconds. Do you want to leave or not?
No.
Anyways, in the last video, I didn't do much. So, we will be finally hanging up the cord on my, ceiling fan.
Finally.
So, let's get all the supplies, should we? Now, the push pins will go in a certain way. I have Aiden here because he wanted to be included in a video, and he is now. So, I don't know if I just push these push pins into the ceiling, or do I hammer them in there? Which one do you think I should do, Aiden?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll just do hammering then. Here's my hammer.
Dies from hunger.
We're going to be getting the push pins. And, I might do a video about some of my fans turning on with Aiden. Because, you know, brothers should be included. Wait, I can't reach the ceiling, so we're just going to leave these here until probably I get a stool. Oh, it's only been 2 minutes. How time flies. What? Anyways, I do not have any cord to power any of this right now. I don't know where it went. Who knows, but yeah, this video is about electronics. I almost tripped. Aiden, you could watch a little TV if you want. The remote's over here. Watch, or you could watch a little TV out there. Go, boy, go!
Bye. And I'm not a pet. I am not a pet.
I'm
not a pet.
Goodbye, creepy! So yeah. Not much to do at all. But good thing is that we could do a video about like maybe an electronic here. Oh well. We'll be talking about this fan right here. Yeah, it's pretty stiff. Look at that. It's not very easy at all. Look in there. Yeah, so, that's something for this video to actually view. I mean, not much at all. I mean, like, at least I'm doing something, you know? I made a dangerous fan, as I did not talk about in my first video. It's my daytime motor. Honestly, I think these go together pretty well. Which is kind of true, honestly. So, yeah. I'll watch here. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, because I don't think I'm going to use it anymore. But at the same time, maybe I will use it, and then I won't use it, and then I will use it, and then I won't use it, and then I will use it. So, what am I going to do? Should probably get a stool to hang up that wire. because I do want to turn on my ceiling fan. I mean, it hasn't been turned on in quite a long time. I gotta also do something here. I don't know if you could see it, but I'm going to be playing around with this thing. Why does the motor sound more angry? Oh well. The pulsator's moving. So yeah, it's just a random video. Random videos. Sometimes YouTubers just do that. Wow, 5 minutes. We're passing time already. And I know it's only 10 minutes. And now, in the last video, I did not repair that Lego squirrel cage fan. Some reason. I mean, you probably already know the reason. I mean, viewers are really smart. Okay, yeah, you see that. Now, we're going to fix it. Now, in the last video, I showed this thing was not working. I don't know why this thing, it's like jammed. Is there something on the bottom? First, we will be taking the top off, meaning we will be removing these blue bricks. Because I'm not quite sure. I don't know if this video will be postable. If it is, then I'm glad that everyone's actually watching. Why is this here? Why is there a free brick where there's not supposed to be? Wait, how did that squeeze like that? Okay, maybe this part. I kind of got to really pry that off there, huh? Yeah, that's the problem, all right. Why does it look like it's missing blades? Oh well. So first, we're going to take off either the top or the bottom. I don't know. Why is it not coming off? Come on. There we go. Take this wheel off. Are you still videoing? Yeah, 7 minutes. We got time. Now we kind of got to remove all this 3 bricks. Then that. And then, shaboom, we can get the wheel out. I don't know why this wasn't working. What is going on here? I mean, is it supposed to be doing that? I mean, honestly, probably not. This is supposed to be a squirrel cage, but it's not working as it planned. This is probably going to be a short 10-minute video. How is it 8 minutes already? Darn, I need to repair this thing. I mean, honestly, repairing things, that's kind of easy, because it's my job. Oh, great, now I need another piece to fit there, which I do not have. The heck? Well, sorry to break it to you, but it's almost the end. I'll be repairing that in another video, as I don't know what happened to this one. I don't know how it just moved, how time just was like, you know. Well, we will repair that in the next video. See, the problem was the squirrel cage itself is getting stuck right here. No, like right here. So I need new pieces. And the squirrel cage itself is fine. Well, I gotta go. So,